World's strongest bond? That's quite a claim. I always thought this was the strongest bond. This was the first time I ever used the JB Weld SteelStik, and this is how it turned out. But this is the reason I had to use it in the first place. There was no clever plan here. A bit of oil on the screw, wind it back in, mix up some of the putty, and build it back around the screw. All I needed it to do was hold, which it did. I decided to try it on the exhaust of the ZZR. I'd already repaired it once with a different product, but that didn't last long. But this stuff, well, I've done well over 400 miles now, and a lot of that on bumpy country roads, and it's still holding. The repair to the engine impressed me, but the exhaust, that's what got me thinking, what else is this stuff capable of?